Power tools use many ball bearings to allow various components to rotate. Over time, a ball bearing will wear and begin to fail. A bearing that is failing will usually give warning, often with a squeaking or a squealing sound. Replacing a ball bearing is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the motor brushes. Now remove the wheel guards and the blade guard. Now remove the top half of the switch handle housing. I'll flip the saw over and remove the 2 screws on the back. And I'll pull the rest of the handle away from the saw. And just leave it loose. Next, I'll remove the 4 screws that secure the rear housing to the motor housing. And I'll separate the 2 halves. And now I'll remove the armature from the gearbox. I'll use a bearing separator to remove the bearing. I place the separator over the bearing and tighten it up. Then I place the separator over the jaws of my vise, and I'll use a rubber mallet to tap the armature shaft free from the bearing. Now I can install the new bearing. I'll place it onto the armature shaft, and I'll use a socket that has a diameter about the same as the inner race on the bearing to install it. I'll tap it in place with the rubber mallet. And now I can reinstall the armature. Now I'll reconnect the 2 halves of the saw. I'll reinstall the baffle and slide the armature back into the motor housing. And I'll secure the 2 housings with the screws. Now I can reassemble the handle. First, I'll reattach the rear half of the handle. I'll line it with the housing and secure it with the screws. I'll realign the switch and all the wires so I can install the other half of the housing. Now I'll replace the wheel guard and blade guard. And I'll finish by reinstalling the brushes. And now you know how to replace a bearing in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.